Seunkuti is a chain smoker. Seunkuti is a chain smoker, a child that has started smoking igbo at his underage line. Will never be devoid of mental disability. Seunkuti is a chain smoker. He can never get it right because his brain are not working normal, like a child brought up in a moral standardized family. Seunkuti, they nurse him, they breastfeed him with igbo. So if Seunkuti begin to abuse somebody like nnamdikanu or Simon Ekpa, you will actually know that he did not go school. He's not a graduate. It is now that I believe that he just went to university, he bought the results. To avoid walkover, someone sat for him in exam, and he had to come out claiming that he's a graduate. If Femi Kuti speaks, I will weigh it and understand that a human being speaks or has spoken.
Talk intelligently.
Listen and listen to me. He has never spoken intelligently. If he could attack Simon Ekpa, when Abiola was at its most, when he won election in 1993, he went outside, he canvassed for supporters all over the globe. He was not here doing it until he came. When Nelson Mandela began to campaign for liberation of Southern Africa, I think there was a time he went to either Awolowo University or Nsukka. The like of the Zigs and rest of the Nigerian African nationalists aided and helped him. I didn't understand. So when a freedom fighter is talking, someone like Seunkuti could never ever be equated to the achievements of somebody like Simon Ekpa, a military man in Finland, a man that went to Finland based on scholarship. How could you expect Seun to tackle him? And you are telling me that Seun spoke intelligently. Seun is a moron, even if he has a PhD.
Okay.
So Seun has lost it. See, Ekpa went to Finland on scholarship. He's an Igbo man. And he was enrolled into Finn military. He worked there. He was in charge of battalion. Are you listening to me? In Finland. Seunkuti can never be equated. His own educational quality or whatever, qualification, could never be equated to any of the two. nnamdikanu or Simon Ekpa. Seunkuti is still using Pampers. I know his age in 98, 97, 99. A small boy with his head like coconut. We have that kind of effrontery to be talking to the Igbos. They should go and meet him so that he should stop. Seun should stop. Life is not all about Igbo. For him to know what he's doing in life, Seunkuti should go back to his mom for breastfeeding. We want all those accolades, those blessings, those health advantages that comes with breastfeeding. We want it back to Seun. Seun should go and resuck her mother's breast. You are talking to the Igbos, the engine house of southwestern Nigeria economy. That small boy has a fancy to talk to the Biafrans. He has lost it because if you go to social media, everybody is against him. Seunkuti is not even trying to uphold Fela Anikulapo Kuti's legacy. We know the legacy left by his father. Fela was a good man, fighting the ills and kills of Nigerian governments, ranging from the military to the democratic society in Nigeria. They did not get it well, and Fela made sure that he told the world what was right and wrong in Nigeria. So, Seun, I don't think is the one that should epitomize or symbolize Fela's legacy in Nigeria. Seun has deviated from doing the needful, and I warn, the Holy Igbo warns, he should go and resuck his mother's breast. He is talking trash. If it happens that Chegu is a graduate, maybe come out with upper class, doctorate degree or PhD, he did so in stupidity. Stupidity. I'm telling you the fact. I did not expect this from him. Who the hell does he think he is? He wants to support Tinubu because Tinubu has been visiting that place, doing their normal. That's why he has not seen anything right on emancipation of Republic of Oduduwa or Biafra. He's trying to support Nigeria. Seun has fallen everybody's hand. I hands off my hands to where he is. He can never, ever be my fan, or I myself being his fan, or supporting anything about Femi and Seun and Ekpa. Femi is still my man.
What issue with Femi? Well, Ekpa has also come and said that Nigeria government also killed his grandmother, Fumilayo Ransom Kuti. A kid, and he also Seun should not expect him to start fighting Nigeria from, he doesn't need to come to Nigeria.
Give me this microphone. That's where I'm coming. That's why I told you that Seun misfired it. Seun Fela's son is proving to be an scapegoat, a black sheep of Kuti's family. Why? Miami, that's my mother. Fumilayo Ransom Kuti was killed by Obasanjo government, Nigeria government under Obasanjo. They threw him out from the balcony. That selfish boy could not read something from that. He has failed Miami, Fumilayo Ransom Kuti, a grandchild that has turned his back on his grandmama, the roots of his ancestors, his descendants. Seun did not know where he comes from. If Seun actually knows where he comes from, he should not have spoken anything good about Nigerian government. If Seun could know his ancestral background, his maternal roots, Seun Fela's son would not have spoken bad about Biafra. That boy is nothing but a black sheep of his family. He doesn't know what he's saying. They should send him back to his mother to resuck his mom's breast. All those proteins, nutrients obtained from breastfeeding by every child whose mother has done exclusive. That's what is called exclusive or nursing the babies. Seun needed it. They should go and suck his mom's breast because Igbo has eaten up the whole proteins in his brain. He's suffering from dementia. Thoroughly, absolute dementia is the problem worrying Seun, the son of Fela, and being sincere about it. Seun is not a human being or a man in Yoruba land that should tackle either nnamdikanu or Simon Ekpa. He should go and ask Omnitiri, Abiola's wife, what's up. Abiola's wife will be in the position to tutor Seun, so that Seun should close his acid-filled mouth. A boy that could not watch his mouth well. Anytime he finishes smoking Indian hemps, he's not in the right position to judge the Igbos. Femi Fela's son is suffering from absolute dementia.
The US now finally acknowledging the illegal detention of nnamdikanu and
release or incarceration. USA has been, disturbing Tinubu administration. Not even disturbing, because I read 2-3 days ago where USA is warning Tinubu administration that Tinubu outrightly is allowing incarceration, illegal incarceration of nnamdikanu at DSS facility. I read it 2-3 days ago. America is warning Nigeria that it is too bad to hold on somebody that is not proscribed. The whole world has never seen him as a terrorist. And because of the hatred you have on Igbo nation, you are holding this man. America was stressing their point clear that since 2017, invasion of nnamdikanu's palace, Nigeria has never seen its right to make sure that Biafran nation or even the people of that region have become part of the government. All they do is oppressing, suppressing, persecuting the people from that region to the level that America is saying in their own publicity that if anybody could come out with rigid, solid claim that Tinubu won last year's election, they are going to give that person $250,000. Because America has known outrightly that Tinubu did not win election. So they won Nigeria, the criminal country called Nigeria, to allow nnamdikanu to go his way. Or else, that was how they put it. And as I'm talking to you now, the legal team of nnamdikanu, I know they are all working hard. Every day, all hands on desk to make sure that they convince American government reasons why nnamdikanu should be let off the hook. The cage, not even the hook, because he is not guilty of any treasonable felony whatsoever. If you are accusing nnamdikanu of treasonable felony, what about Igbo that started his own agitation with them gun, local gun, juju and everything? Nnamdikanu is doing what he was doing peacefully until Nigeria pushed them on the wall, to the wall. That's why they were advised by United Nations to do what? To carry guns. So listen and listen good. Time has come for everybody in Nigeria to know who is right and who is wrong. What Tinubu should have done, even before releasing Igbo, Tinubu should have set nnamdikanu free. Be it that Tinubu is sitting on top of Igbo man's mandate. What kind of criminality is this country? What kind of criminal country is Nigeria? The same Igbo man you said should not go, the same Igbo man won an election, you could not allow him to rule Nigeria. Why? Why don't you allow him to go? Okay? Nigeria is looking for another military onslaught with the Igbos in the southeastern Nigeria. I think that's where everything is leading to. I know that some of you that are so hating on Igbo man, so wicked on Igbo man, I believe you don't see anything good on what I'm saying. But I'm telling you that when there's a level, you can push a man to the wall. Sometimes you can hit him, you see him going down, either he dies or he bounces back on you. He's going to bounce back on Nigeria. Failure to release nnamdikanu or rendition him back to Nairobi Airport, Kenya, where they illegally abducted him from. See, let me tell you, United States has started a mission. And the basic reason for that is that one of the most peaceful missionaries in the world is suffering at the DSS facilities. You know his name? MNK Nnamdikanu is the only hope the Igbos have now. After Jesus, we call Jesus every day. But after calling Jesus Christ, if all of us go to our various houses, Nnamdikanu will be the man. So that's it.
My brother, let me tell you the gospel truth. You know, Seun is rubbishing himself. You know, because maybe he did not understand how things of this nature work. He would have asked his father, why did he declare Republic, Calcutta Republic during his days? Did his father actually believe in Nigeria? Was Nigeria working to the level that somebody like Fela will come out and said, okay, no, this Nigeria is worth it? All the people that corrupted Nigeria, that stole Nigeria blind, you cannot see Igbo man in what Fela, all the people that Fela mentioned, you cannot see Igbo man there. Go and check all the Fela songs. Now Yoruba and Hausa at this point Nigeria. Go and check out for that Fela song. All the Fela Nicolabo song. You cannot see Igbo man there. Igbo man has not become president of this country for one day. So what is the reference? A Yoruba man has been there. An Hausa man has been there. So why is Seun mentioning Igbo? What is the big deal about Seun talking about Igbo? Has Igbo man become president of Nigeria? Now them too. Now they spoil the country. Now you see that somebody is saying that this is not how a nation should be. And he said that person should come from where he is and come in. So what's the big deal? It shows you that Seun is becoming mentally derailed. You know, maybe because of the POP he's using. I don't understand that. And to be very honest with you, seunkuti, if not his father, that, you know, people attach some level of respect to. How come he comes and shit? Look at to tell you how stupid he is. He was among the people that went to Ojota. Seun too does not understand what subsidy is all about. Tinubu does not know what is called subsidy until he became president. No, that is it. Until Tinubu became president, they now wrote it on papers for him. This is what is called subsidy. He said, eh. So when Jonathan was talking about subsidy, seunkuti and Tinubu does not know what is called subsidy. They said they went to school. that's how people are even questioning how come Wole Soyinka won Nobel laureate and somebody like Seun did not get it. No, that's it to have, bro. How many pieces or how many pages did Wole Soyinka write? How many pages did Wole Soyinka write? And how many pages did Seun wrote in States Fall Apart? Everything about here, Igbo. What did Igbo do to them? Go to now, you want to rent house. Don't give it to Igbo. He's an Igbo man. Don't rent house for Igbo man. What is the problem? Oh, Aboki the rent house for Lagos. Outside the rent house for Lagos. Rent shop for Lagos. Pay millions. Outside man not get time for that. The people who are adding value. But what does that tell me? Nigeria, that's our prayer. Disintegration. Kabanaje Mbe Nkewoke. Disintegration. By special grace of God, Nigeria go balkanize. Then this Lagos, whether they feel say anything, they go carry on for their heads.